Have you ever pondered on the intricacies of peripheral nerve disorders? They may seem daunting, but understanding them can be as simple as breaking them down into three main categories. Firstly, we have Neurapraxia, a condition characterized by a temporary impairment in nerve conduction. This impairment is often the result of local compression or blockage. Consider carpal tunnel syndrome, where nerve conduction velocity tests may reveal degeneration and slowing of fibers at the site of compression. Remember, though, it's crucial to interpret these tests in light of other disorders such as diabetes or in individuals with active jobs. Next up, we have Axonotmesis. This is when the axon, the long thread-like part of a nerve cell, is damaged, but the neural tube remains intact. Following such an injury, a process called Wallerian degeneration occurs distally to the lesion, causing the axons to die back. This degeneration can be progressive due to long-standing neuropraxia or occur suddenly due to trauma. Here, nerve conduction velocity tests are affected depending on the number of axons involved. Lastly, we have Neurotmesis, the most severe type of nerve injury. It involves complete loss of axonal function and disruption of the neural tube. With Neurotmesis, conduction ceases below the lesion, rendering nerve conduction velocity tests impossible. On electromyography, spontaneous potentials appear at rest, and regeneration may be detected through serial testing. Now let's shift gears and discuss neuropathy, which refers to any nerve disease. Polyneuropathy is a form of neuropathy that affects multiple nerves, causing sensory changes, distal weakness, and hyporeflexia. It can be brought about by various medical conditions, such as diabetes, alcoholism, renal disease, cancer, or its treatments. These conditions often manifest as axonal damage, demyelination, or both. So, to summarize, peripheral nerve disorders can be divided into three main categories: Neurapraxia, Axonotmesis, and Neurotmesis, each with its distinctive characteristics and effects. Understanding these categories can help us better comprehend the complexity of these disorders and their impact on the human body.